Welcome, and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Ainsley Fior with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Wednesday, March 11, 2009. Financial News reports that UK's 3i Group has started a secondary sale of its European venture capital assets, which could raise between 300 and 400 million pounds. The sale aims at trimming the private equity firm's debt load, which has hindered its ability to enter new deals. Secondaries investors such as UK's Collar Capital, US-based HarbourVest Partners, and Dutch investment firm Alp Invest Partners are expected to bid for the assets. Staying with hedge fund news, the Financial Times reports that South African billionaire Johan Rupert has collaborated with managers from Lehman Brothers Merchant Banking Partners to buy the private equity unit from the bank. Former head of Lehman's private equity business in Europe and the Middle East, Vittorio Pignati Morano, and his 4 partners will pay $10 million for 51% of the company, rename it, and move offices to London and New York. Rupert, via his holding company, will buy the remaining 49% and take over Lehman's $230 million in outstanding commitments. And in more hedge fund news, Alt Assets reports that venture capital firm Element Partners has closed an oversubscribed clean technology fund at $486 million. Element Partners 2, which was targeting $400 million, will invest in high-growth industries, including energy, water, materials, and manufacturing. This brings the firm to over $800 million in assets with 22 portfolio companies in industries including alternative energy, water treatment, biofuels, and green building materials. And in other hedge fund news, the Economic Times reports that Indian private equity firm ASK Investment Holdings has started a $96 million real estate fund. The fund is planning to invest mostly in the residential market, aiming at 200 fundamentally strong real estate developers. The firm is looking to invest in ongoing projects or those that are halfway complete. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge funds channel online and read the full stories and latest developments.